below shows a 10 cm by 4 cm by 6 cm box. Now stop here. Did they input information inside the diagram? No, right? So a good practice will just be to put all this information inside. So this will be 10 cm by 4 cm by 6 cm. I'm actually teaching all of you all these kind of small habits, right? In the long run, it's going to help you all. So trust me, just put all these figures in. Now they mentioned that a few 1 cm cubes are already inside the box. How many more 1 cm cubes are needed to fill up the box? So for this question, let's try to rationalize it. Let's try to understand it. So they mentioned that in this box, we can actually fill up with like 1 cm cubes, right? So we have to figure out how many 1 cm cubes are there inside initially, and after that we have to figure out what is the total capacity of this box. How many 1 cm cube can I put inside in this box? After that, I take the total capacity minus the total number of cubes inside to find out how many more 1 cm cubes are needed to fill up the box. Now, let's try to count over here how many cubes are inside. So usually what I like to do is I like to go layer by layer. So this is level 1, and then this is level 2, and then this one is level 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So from here, let's try to count 1, 2, 3 inside 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So over here there are 9 cubes. Okay, so done. Second unit, 1 inside 2, 3. So inside here got 3 cubes. So over here is just 1 cube, right? So as you're counting your cubes, why do I want to separate into level 1, level 2, level 3? It's because a lot of students, right, when you all start counting, right, you all just start counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. But because over here is quite a complicated mess. So whatever that's too complicated, what's the strategy? The strategy is to cut it up into different levels. Once you cut it up into different levels, you're going to be a lot more accurate as you are trying to calculate, trying to count the number of cubes inside. So use my method for this one, it's going to be quite helpful for you. Which means that the total number of cubes inside, so okay, total cubes inside box, okay, will be 9 plus 3 plus 1. So 9 plus 3 plus 1, it will give us 13 cubes. The next part, remember, we have to find the total capacity of the box. So how many 1 cm cube can I put inside the box? See, since this one is 10 cm, right, which means that I can put 10 cubes over here. And this is 4 cm, which means that I can put 4 cubes inside here. And this one is 6 cm, meaning I can put 6 cubes inside here. So what we need to do is to just multiply all this together. Okay? So over here I'm going to put number of cubes that box can contain. And that will give us 10 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. And that will give us 240. Okay, because 4 times 6 will be 24, 24 times 10 will be 240. Inside there are already 13, we can put a total to 240. So how many more 1 cm cubes are needed to fill out the box? Easy, just take 240 minus 13 and that will give us 227 cubes. So this will be the final answer. Okay? So for parents who are watching this, please remember to rationalize through the question first. Okay, and it's not that difficult to just come up with a strategy. And then for students who are taking AEIS, the examination, the entrance examination, remember to always do the sentence, the arrow, and then the working. All these will be good guiding posts for all of your working to ensure that the more difficult ones will not be terribly difficult for you either. Alright, done.